Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to browse the internet with ChatGPT's new feature. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to head over to chat.openai.com. If you don't have an account, you have to create an account or log in using your Gmail account. Once you have done this, you should land on a page like this. Once you're here, just head over and click on the three dots at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you do this, you want to head over to settings and beta. From here, head over to beta features. And then now you want to select the browse with Bing. And now you can click out of this page now. And then once you do this, head over to ChatGPT 4. And now you want to make sure browse with Bing, which is still a beta feature, is selected for you. You can head over and check again once more. And now you can see here we have the check mark, means it has been selected or activated for us. And now with this feature turned on, you can research about questions and problems, and then you're going to get recent and current solutions browsing right inside the ChatGPT 4 interface. Alright guys, that's all for this quick and easy tutorial. If you found this video helpful on how to browse the internet with ChatGPT 4, do leave the video a like. And if you want to watch more helpful videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Have a great and wonderful day.